Now let's touch upon ultraviolet purification or UV. Ultraviolet or UV technology uses invisible ultraviolet rays to eliminate germs. In nature, UV rays radiate directly from the sun. These days, technology has made it possible for UV rays to be produced electronically. Today, UV technology world over is one of the most trusted and most efficient means of water purification. Not only does it retain the essential nutrients in water while removing disease-causing bacteria, virus, cyst and other contaminants, it does not waste water. UV filtration process. This purifies water in 3 stages. In stage 1, physical impurities like dust, dirt, mud, rust and suspended particles get filtered out by pre-filtration process or the sediment filter. In stage 2, water then passes through specially treated activated carbon, an adsorbing medium. Activated carbon removes volatile chemicals like chlorine and its products, pesticides, dissolved gases like radon, etc. It also removes all added color and enhances the taste of the water. In stage 3, water passes through a unique e-boiling chamber. The e-boiling chamber has a UV lamp and a quartz tube fitted around the UV lamp. This prevents the lamp from coming in direct contact with the water. In this chamber, bacteria, viruses and other disease-causing harmful organisms are killed by UV rays without leaving any byproducts, making this one of the safest methods of filtration. The decalcifier or the mineral guard in AquaGuard prevents scaling on quartz glass tube of UV reflector housing, keeping your water purifier functioning effectively. The UV chamber also has a valve that regulates the flow of water and maintains the UV water molecule contact time. Hermetically sealed AquaGuard intelligent purity sensor continuously scans the quality of water so that the AquaGuard delivers safe and pure drinking water at all times. In some select models of AquaGuard, in addition to the UV, purified water passes through a superior ultrafilter that polishes water, making it sparkling clean and removes harmful endotoxins from the water. Besides this, the AquaGuard has an inbuilt voltage stabilizer that ensures your purifier works even during voltage fluctuations.